She had calls from what, I think 17, 79?
So I gave exactly 35 mocks. I really like GP Sir's fundas also. One thing that truly stood out was always the PDP personalized. I'm very thankful to Career Launcher that they put you as my mentor. One thing that you could do is not be too afraid of the mocks. Don't be very nervous. I think we also had a anything but cat talk.
Congratulations, we at CL are very proud of you. Hi everybody, so I've got Aman Jyot here who had joined us for the Career Launcher Test Series program. Did decently well, got a decent percentile, let's put it that way. I'm sure she will go ahead and elucidate what that exactly was. Post that she joined us for the PDP personalized program. She had calls from what, I think 79,
Yes.
yeah, and she converted all of them. So Aman, over to you. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your journey? You can divide it probably into two parts. Part one, your CAT preparation journey, and part two, your probably GDPI preparation journey.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I am Amanjot Kaur Shah. I scored 99.47 percentile in CAT, and I had prepared the entire last year in 2024 for the CAT exam. And I think I was someone who was always scoring very averagely in my academics, but over the last year I decided that I wanted to give it my best. And I think one should not limit themselves. They should focus on their true potential, and that is what I truly tried to do last year. And that is why I think I had a very pragmatic way in which I approached the CAT preparation. I made sure that I finished my syllabus by May end, and I was following various different books, and I finished the preparation, and there were few chapters of quants that I did 2 or 3 times as well. After that, I had joined the Career Launcher Comprehensive Test Series, and I used to make sure that I did the daily doses every day. So be it till the exam day, I did every daily dose without missing it even one day. And along with that, I used to do a lot of mocks by Career Launcher. So I gave exactly 35 mocks,
Wow.
and I gave 20 sectionals, and most of the sectionals that I gave were for DLR. Because I did think that is something that I needed more work on. And Sir, being the DILR king at Career Launcher, I think that is the first time that I felt more comfortable in the subject when I had seen the Road to 99 CAT 23 attempt by you that you had done for the second one that you had done
in August, I think.
Yes, sir. So that is the first time that I felt comfortable with DILR, that you solved it in such a nice way that I just felt like, okay, there are more efficient ways to solve it. And if I'm at Career Launcher and seeing videos by you or by any other mentor at Career Launcher, I think I'll be good to go. So that is exactly what I did. I used a lot of sectionals. I used a lot of resources that Career Launcher very nicely provides. So I gave 35 mocks. I started with one mock a week. And after that, I used to solve the mock without time as well. And then I used to see all the video solutions. And I'm really thankful to Career Launcher that along with them providing mentors to for the video solutions, there were many a times that even you used to solve the solutions, and we had recordings. Jejo sir also used to solve it, and I really like GP sir's fundas also. They also helped me. Yes, the jugaads really helped me quite a bit. And I think that is how my preparation became even more efficient. And I just continued on till the D-Day and just felt a lot better with my CAT prep. So it has been very instrumental, Career Launcher, in the entire journey that has happened. The daily doses also really, as the level increased, as the D-Day was approaching, they also really did help me with how I was going about my preparation and the amount of questions I was introduced to. So Career Launcher has been very great, and I think it was a really good decision. My brother had earlier taken it a few years back, so he also recommended it, and he also knows how important it was for him, and now it is for me. And after the CAT preparation, I was very happy with the results once the results had come out. And once they did, I was looking for GDPI preparations all across the internet. But one thing that truly stood out was always the PDP personalized. And I always knew about...
So how did you get to know about personalized?
It was through the internet. I was searching for different coaching centers for that. And I already knew about you because through the DILR prep. So once I did join PDP Personalized, I was very happy to have you as my mentor. And I was even happier when I saw your LinkedIn when I was given you as a mentor, because you were also from Maths Honors and you were also
Yeah.
from IIM Calcutta.
Yeah.
So I think they really make sure to not just have some lottery system, but really match the mentee with the mentor. And I'm also from Maths Honors, so that also helped me quite a bit, because he really did ask me quite a bit of maths and really grilled me on a lot of maths topics that helped me in a lot of interviews, especially Calcutta and other interviews. So once the PDP personalized started, we had an interaction, and even then, you had, even though the calls hadn't come, you had already guessed the calls that I would get, that I wouldn't probably get Ahmedabad and would probably get the other calls, and I did get. It happened in the similar manner, and then once we had the interaction, you did tell me about what to focus on. If I was weak in current affairs, I wasn't very updated with them, to focus on that, to really like put a lot of effort into 1-2 subjects of mathematics, because I do have 31 months of work experience, and also get my entire life story absolutely clear. And I really like the portal of PDP Personalize, be it like the AI thing that they have to help us draft a lot better, much better answers for the different form questions that we had, to have an entire autobiography and just know about ourselves a lot better through the process. So I just think that over these 5 months, I just know a lot more about myself as well.
Lovely.
Now, and as much as I think you also know quite a bit, because after that we had a discussion regarding the autobiography also. So even the entire process through the interviews was also very pragmatic at Career Launcher. They have different interviews scheduled, and he had only told me that which mock interview to have before which interview, and he conducted it in a similar manner as the actual interviews are conducted for those colleges. So if Calcutta is quant centric, he really did grill me a lot on a lot of quant topics, and if Bangalore was SOP based, then he did really go in depth with my SOP. So those things really helped me out. And along with that, I think during the start, what really stood out about Gautam Bawa sir was that during the first few interviews that I had given, I was just feeling that probably I'm not performing, I'm not standing out in the crowd, or I'm performing averagely. But he was always there to support me, or just tell me and just calm down the nerves. But along with that, he had also been very honest and told me that it is not, or if you think that interviews are going average, then it's probably you that are making them average. And if you want to find opportunities, you can't just find opportunities. Nobody will come and tell you about do this or do that in the interviews. You have to make those opportunities. So I think he was very honest and very down to earth with all the feedback that he gave, and very straightforward in the sense that it did help me quite a bit. And after that, I did start converting. Once the results started coming in, I did start converting it, and I used to keep telling him about each conversion that happened. And even my mother and me, we were most excited to tell you, because you had equal hand in each of the conversions that happened, and it was genuinely a very instrumental process. And I'm very thankful to Career Launcher that they put you as my mentor, and even the test series and the entire portal at Career Launcher, everything is extremely it's very well balanced and very well made. So if there is something that I would recommend for CAT aspirants, a coaching center, it would be Career Launcher. And if there is some advice that I would like to give them, it would also be to just be extremely disciplined and consistent throughout your process. And if you do choose Career Launcher and their mentors, then just blindly listen to them. I think they know exactly what they are doing, and just give it your best, and it will be really good for you all.
Cool, perfect. You know, I thought I'll ask her 3-4 more questions. That was a nice monologue. I think Aman's covered everything. Aman, probably just one last thing. You know, one thing that I'll probably state. So you've spoken about a couple of things the students should do.
Yes.
What about a couple of things they should not do during their preparation? ये मत करना, ये मैंने गलती कर दी, or I made this mistake.
Yes.
Please don't repeat it. Or you didn't make any mistakes.
No. So I think I only learned a lot from the mistakes.
Yeah, exactly.
So I definitely made quite a bit. But during the CAT preparation, I think one thing that you could do is not be too afraid of the mocks, because I was genuinely being affected by the mocks and the mock scores. And once I listened to a lot of videos by you all and Jijo sir, where they'd all talked about mocks being a learning tool and not something that's actually like affecting you. In the sense, it just has to help us. So just try to give a lot of mocks, but don't be very affected by the scores. And on the D-Day, just I think before the D-Days, don't be very nervous. I think we also had a anything but cat talk on
Yeah.
for career launch, and I found it very funny and helpful. But just try to calm your nerves and go in a very peaceful sense that you gave it your best, and just try to do your best that day, even whatever happens. But along with I think the main advice would be not to give a lot of mocks and not be that stressed about the process. It's not the end of the world, but just try to give it your best.
Perfect. And I
Yes.
think one last thing about Aman, I remember, Aman stating that she was happy that she got me as a mentor. I'm sure after our first interaction, the opinion might have changed. She was very worried. I remember that.
Yes, sir.
I think we had a telephonic conversation,
Yes,
the
sir.
first interaction. उसके बाद से it was difficult to convince her कि पहले autobiography discussion में आ जाओ.
Yes,
I
sir.
still remember that.
Yes, sir.
But I think from that day onwards, there's been a tremendous amount of growth, and I love the new confidence
Yeah.
with which you speak.
Yes.
I think that is something that will hold you in good stead. And congratulations, we at CL are very proud of you. You've mentioned a lot about what we've done, but all we can do is we can recommend. The eventual hard work, the eventual effort, the eventual putting the pen to paper is done by you. And congratulations
Thank
on
you.
having done that, superbly.
Yes.
I still don't agree with BOC, but that's something for later. Congratulations for having converted all of them.
Thank you,
Congrats,
sir.
Aman.
Thank you
Well
so
done.
much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.